Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's videos we're opening up two triple pack blisters. We have the Tinkerton one and we have the Latios one. Just picked up these from the shop, so let's rip into them and see what we get. You can see it's not very great at ripping them apart. There we go. That out the way. Here is the first code card for you lot. Reset the mat a little bit. There we go. And the promo. Let's see if it's got any print lines, because on the previous video we opened up the Shrouded Fable Greninja box and the Froakie had quite a few print lines, but in this one it seems pretty good. Okay, let's sleeve it up. Let's open up this one as well. So we got 6 packs of Stellar Crown today. Let's see if we can hit one of the rainbows or even the Bulbasaur and Squirtle cards. Isn't it funny that this set has those evolutions, but it's missing out the mid evolutions? Like the Bulbasaur is missing Ivysaur and the Squirtle's missing the Wartortle. I wonder why that is. This one also seems fine. There's no print lines that I can see on it. Focus. Yeah, there we go. Okay. 6 packs of Stellar Crown. Let's get into it. Here's the first pack. Pancham, Purdy, Tortuga, Okaberry, Koraidon, Meditate, Scorbunny, and a regular rare. Okay, on to the next pack. Let's see if we can get at least one hit. Rayleigh, Lechonk, Double, Yellowgrass, Lantern, reverse Rapinier, reverse Togedemaru, and a nice Manicham EX. I think we already pulled this one as well from the previous video when we opened up the 2 ETBs. Put that to the side. Okay, so we got that one hit. Let's see if we can get another. Clank, Cyclop, Good Pin, Graveyard, Carbonal, the Glass Trumpet, Talonflame, Iron Boulder. Oh nice, we got another Joltek as well. This one seems to be really easy to get. It's my second one. So that's the first 3 packs of 1 blister done. On to the next 3. Right horn. Just going to go a little bit faster on the last few ones. Got the reverse and the rare in the same one. Electabuzz, Lechonk, Reboot, Rapidash, still love that artwork, Dancing, do you have something in the back? No, it's metal. Okay, last pack magic. Nope. Can't just fill out the pack. Wonder if there's something hiding in here. Nice. We have a bomb, a deluxe bomb. I think this is our first ace card, ace spec. And behind that we have a root fossil and an iron boulder. Alright, not too bad. I believe there's only 3 ace spec cards in the set. And I think this is the first one I got. So, quick recap of the pulls. We have a deluxe bomb. We have a Joltik, Medicham EX, and the 2 promos from the 2 blisters, the Latias and the Tinket. So 3 hits from 6 packs. It's not too bad. Alright. Guys, if you're new to the channel and watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any other future videos. Alright, thanks guys for tuning in.